serial killer of the Soviet era, the dark legacy of Visili Komaroff. Welcome to The Most Evil, where we delve into the minds of history's most notorious serial killers. Today, we delve into the chilling tale of Visili Komaroff, one of the most notorious murderers in the history of the USSR, one of the earliest known serial killers in Soviet history. Vasili Ivanovich Komaroff, originally born Vasili Terentevich Petrov in 1871, hailed from a large, impoverished family in the Vitebsk Governorate of the Russian Empire. Alcoholism plagued his family, and by age 15, Komaroff himself had succumbed to the bottle. His life was tumultuous from the start. He served 4 years in the Russian army, married at 28, and journeyed to the Far East during the Russo-Japanese War in 1904, where he squandered a small fortune. After a stint in prison for robbing a military warehouse and losing his wife to cholera, Komaroff settled in Riga. There, he married a Polish widow named Sofia and had 2 children. Despite starting a new family, his violent tendencies and alcoholism persisted, often manifesting in brutal beatings of his wife and children. In 1915, the outbreak of World War I forced Komaroff and his family to flee to the Volga region. Captured by the White Army during the Civil War, Komaroff escaped, adopting the name Vasili Ivanovich Komaroff to avoid military tribunal prosecution. By 1920, he had relocated his family to Moscow, where he resumed his life of crime. From 1921 to 1923, Moscow's Zamoskvorechye district became the hunting ground for Komaroff. The corpses of men, their heads brutally smashed in, and their limbs tied to their abdomens, were found in sacks scattered around the city. These victims, mostly peasants looking to buy horses, were lured to their deaths by Komaroff. Komaroff's method was chillingly systematic. He lured his victims under the pretense of business, gained their trust with alcohol, and then struck with lethal force. His wife, discovering his deeds in 1921, shockingly chose to assist him rather than report him. Together, they continued this gruesome pattern, leading to at least 33 confirmed murders by Komaroff's own admission. The bodies were then tied up, placed in sacks, and disposed of in various locations around Moscow. The police began noticing a disturbing pattern in 1921, with bodies found in sacks of garbage. Despite Komaroff's seemingly happy married life, those close to him knew of his violent nature. Market spectators also noted his suspicious behavior of arriving without horses and leaving with customers, further arousing suspicion. On the night of May 18th, 1923, the police raided Komaroff's home under the guise of searching for illegal alcohol. Komaroff remained calm until they approached a storage room. Suddenly, he leaped out of a window, but not before they found the still warm body of his latest victim. He was captured the same night in a nearby village. Despite his attempts at suicide while in prison, he and his wife, Sofia, were both convicted and sentenced to death. Komaroff was deemed sane, but classified as an alcoholic degenerate and psychopath. Komaroff's case was a stark reminder of the brutal potential lurking within society, even amidst the supposed order of the new Soviet state. His execution by firing squad on June 18, 1923, marked the end of his reign of terror. The story of Vasili Komaroff remains one of the most terrifying chapters in the annals of Soviet criminal history. His cold-blooded nature and the sheer number of his victims shocked the nation and left an indelible mark on its collective memory. As we reflect on these dark tales from history, we gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of human nature and the importance of vigilance in society.
If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on true crime and psychological analysis. Remember to stay vigilant, and until next time, stay safe.